Thanksgiving Day, November 28th, 2024. We are going to do a review of this Sealy 12-volt electric blanket. I think it's about 44 by 60 inches. It has 3 power levels, heat levels. It has 2 USB ports. It is machine washable, and I think tumble dry, either low or no heat. I've forgotten. You can check it out online. We will also be reviewing a 3-plug cigarette lighter adapter with USB-C, USB-A. Later on, we will be doing also a review of USB-A to USB-C for your older computers, USB-C to USB-A for your older computers, and maybe another gizmo or two. That power drive there, I've done a review of it before. That has been an excellent little inverter. You got 3 110s. Of course, it's only 175 watts, but you've got a 2 amp USB-C and a 3 amp USB-A plus another power outlet. Okay, we have got the Sealy plugged in, and you can see it, the 2 USB ports are lit up. We have not turned it on yet. We turn it on there. That is low power. That's mid power. That is high power. We broke it in the other night. It wasn't that cold. We had it on low power and it was too warm. We turned it off. Now it does disconnect for you to put it in the wash machine. So that works out good. So far it has been perfect. I probably should have picked the red and black plaid. This is going to show dirt big time. But hopefully it'll clean up good. Now underneath here, which we've already done a review of, is this black 12-volt blanket. It has stopped working. I'm going to take the controls apart and see if I can get it to work again. I bought it at a truck stop, I guess 2 or 3 years ago. It was about $40. Now this one, through Amazon on Black Friday, I think with the discount it was for $23. So it's an excellent bargain deal. I may order another one just to have a spare. But see, I plug it in. I've got 2 RV batteries over there, 2 house batteries over there, plus I've got this solar inverter battery charger that I also charge with the solar cell over there. And it also has USB-A, USB-C, 12-volt outlet, and 110. It's got 6 110 outlets. It's been an excellent investment as well. So let's see, is there anything else I was going to tell you about this? This ought to be real good here. We'll review it separately. These are going to be good little additions for people on the road that need to charge a lot of stuff. These things, they're almost essential. You just can't hardly get by if you charge as much stuff, cameras and phones and everything that I use, even computers, everything. You really need some of these inverter chargers. But I guess that'll take care of this one right now. We'll get this one uploaded. Be our first Thanksgiving Day video and review. But it should be, so far, this has been an excellent deal, this little Sealy 12-volt. I said I really like the 2 USB charging adapters or outlets that you can use for whichever. And so we'll do a follow-up review when it gets cold this weekend. Maybe we're using it if we're out on the road. So there you go. This will be a wrap.